Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best folding shovels that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Rhino USA Folding Survival Shovel. Crafted from the highest quality of heavy-duty carbon steel, the shovel is highly durable and convenient for top-notch performances. It has a user-friendly design, military style, which makes it very reliable. Second to this, the shovel has sharp, rugged saw teeth and tough pickaxe that ensures it provides exceptional services. Other than this, it is a foldable unit that allows for easy portability when traveling. You will also find it a breeze to store with a size of 9 by 6 inches when folded. Featuring a fully extendable handle, the shovel is suitable for most users and tasks as you can move it to 23 inches. It is a widely applicable shovel that you can use at campsites, beach, digging dirt, gardening, and off-road among others. With the carrying case, it is even more reliable to carry it to any given place. It has a large comfy handle that will fit most users' hands, and with the large clearance area, it is a pick you can rely on for excellent services. Moving on, at number 4, we have the IUNIO Military Portable Folding Shovels. IUNIO Military Portable Folding Shovel is a very reliable and convenient shovel that you can use in different places. This is due to the fact that it folds compactly for easy carriage. Again, it comes with a high-quality handy bag, making it a breeze to carry with you. The 17 inches shovel is designed from the highest quality of carbon steel material, which makes it wear-resistant and stronger. Due to this, it is a long-term unit that will serve you for years. More interestingly, the shove is multifunctional as you can use it for hiking, backpacking, hunting, and camping among others. The unit has been fitted with things like a bottle opener, saw, shovel board, hoe, and nail extractor. This is why it serves widely and will suit most of your tasks. It has been finished in powder coating to prevent it from rust and corrosion. At number 3, we have the Bond Manufacturing Mini D Handle Shovels. You need to check out for the quality of the material used in the construction of the shovel before buying. This is a highly durable shovel designed heat-treated carbon steel, this very strong and durable. This also makes it favorite for handling most tasks. Apart from this, it has been fitted with a soft non-slip comfy handle that you can firmly hold when working. The versatile shovel is recommended for most tasks including clearing roads, gardening, digging, and use at a campsite. Moreover, it has a lightweight design for a comfy hold. Despite the top-notch features, this is a cost-effective shovel that you can't afford to miss. At number 2, we have the G-Bar Survival Folding Shovels. This is a quality military-grade shovel that delivers more than expected. It has been crafted from the best quality of stainless steel and aluminum alloy combo for extended use. Due to this, it easily withstands higher strengths and harsh conditions. To add more, it is an 18-inch unit that is great for most tasks. You can use it at a campsite, clearing pathways, and gardening among others. The foldable compact design of the shovel makes it excellent for use in different places. It has a large blade with dimensions of 5.1 x 6.4 inches, which means that it has a large clearance area. Furthermore, the unit has a long telescoping handle that you can adjust to suit your working needs. Fitted with a tail attack, you will find it appropriate for breaking windows, ice, and as an escape weapon. And finally, at number 1, we have the SOG Folding Shovels 18.25 inches. This is another top-rated folding shovel that you can also use as a wood saw thanks to the saw teeth. Besides this, the shovel also operates as a hoe or pick, which means that it will cover most duties at home or campsite. Secondly, the shovel has the 3-way folding design as it collapses into a hiking shovel, emergency shovel or outdoor shovel. What is more, the unit is highly durable and strong due to the rugged construction from high carbon steel material. It comes with a convenient carrying bag for both portability and storage. To add more, the unit has a length of 18.25 inches, which makes it appropriate for all users in most activities. Due to the lightweight design and non-slip comfy handle, it is user-friendly for top-notch performances. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.